Hi folks, today is February the 10th. It's currently a little after 9 o'clock in the morning. As you guys can see, the market has just been bouncing around sideways for the most part here. Market just opened up, so hopefully we'll get a bit more volatility. Maybe see the market move off in one direction or the other. And of course the reason you see a balance here is because I'm letting this run all week. I'm not going to close my charts or the Ninja platform. So anyway, with that being said, today we're going to do the same thing we did yesterday, take every trade as it comes. I'm going to go ahead and pause it, and I'll be back in our first print. I just wanted you guys to see we just broke through today's, not today's, but yesterday's low, and also yesterday's open. So we pushed through that, and it looks like our next level of probably some resistance is going to be up here at this level. Let me come back here. I think that's a selling zone. Alright, here it is right here. So we got this selling zone right here, and as you guys can see, it's acted as resistance a few times already. So if we do get a trade, that will most likely be a level that will get a slowdown at. Anyway, we also have this buying zone right here, so hopefully we'll get a retracement into that and get a nice scalp trade, and we'll just have to wait and see what happens. I'll be back with you guys once we get that print. Alright guys, we just got our first print here. We just got filled in it. It looks like my stop should be right there.
Stop filled.
Alright, so first trade of the day is going to be a loser. Can mark that one down. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and pause it, and I'll be back with you guys on the next print. Alright guys, just got another print here. We'll see if we get filled. About 140 ticks remaining on this bar. And what I can see is that, at least to me, it looks like there's a bit of resistance at this level. But like I said, I'm going to take every print. I'll go ahead and shut this down if we don't get into it.
Order cancelled.
Alright, so that has been canceled. Alright, I'll be back shortly. You guys can see we got this sell here, but missed it by a few
Order
seconds.
filled.
Alright, we just got filled.
Stop filled.
Shoot. Market came down pretty quick. You guys can see I ended up getting filled with a limit order on that one because of how quick the market was moving. Then it came down, filled our first one, and then pretty much dropped, had a nice drop right here. I wasn't able to move my stop back in time. But I'm pretty sure, based on what we've seen here, that the market most likely will continue to go down. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and pause it, and I'll be back shortly. We just had this scalp short pop up here. I would love to see the market bust into this sell zone and then give us another selling signal out of that. Because I don't really see anything down here to stop us. We might get a signal on that. Nope. No signal there. Alright, I'm going to pause it and I'll be back with you guys shortly. I'm in the trade room right now, and I just spoke to the vendor, and it looks like he's actually still in this trade. So you guys should definitely check the website after you finish watching my video and see what his is looking like here. Let's see, he got in at I don't see where he got in. He said he's looking for 5114, so right around here is where he's looking for the market to get to. And the reason he was able to stay in this is because he's using a different ATM strategy. And obviously I'm using a super aggressive one, and that's why the trailing stop was moving so quick here, and that's why it took me out so quick. So I might experiment with just a regular trailing stop, or either no trailing stop at all, and I just move the market or move the stop down myself. So I think that's what I'm going to look at trying out next, and we'll just see how it goes. I'm not going to set that up now. I'll wait till tomorrow to try it out. Look at that move. Goodness, goodness, goodness. These are the types of trades you want to catch, and this system does enable you to catch those trades. Like I said, I'm still just learning, still in the learning phase here, folks. You can easily just place your stop right above these levels and just follow it down, and we would have been up quite a bit. 51.40 to 51.85, and we would have just got taken out right here. Alright, let me go ahead and pause it. Hopefully we'll get a reversal here. Wow. Market popped right back up to this selling low volume node. We'll see what it does here. Alright, I'll go ahead and pause it and I'll be back shortly. Alright folks, I'm going to look at calling it a day today. We started out with some pretty extreme sideways action here. Then we got this nice push down, and of course got into this trade. It was a nice winner, but not as nice as it should have been. My ATM was a bit too aggressive, wasn't able to pull the stop back in time, and I was taken out and missed this beautiful trade here. So it is what it is. I'm going to go ahead and add the other ATM strategy that the vendor uses to my bag of tricks, so hopefully next time I'll be able to just manually move my stop down once we hit the first take profit, and that would have allowed me to remain in this trade and just trail it down myself. So that's what we're going to look at trying out tomorrow, most likely, because this would have been a home run trade today. Let me see what they're speaking on in the trade room. Okay, he basically explained to me how he sets up his ATM. Anyway, that's going to be it for today. I'll post this on the blog, and we'll see what happens tomorrow. Hopefully I'll continue learning and continue improving. There are several other things that the vendor actually uses in this trading that I haven't implemented yet. So like I said, I'm trying to just take one thing at a time, learn it, and that's what you guys are seeing me do here. So just take that into account with my trading. Alright, I'll see you guys shortly, or on the next trading day. Take care.